Hey mate.
Hi.
So, we got stuck into it this morning a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
We already took this thing out of here.
And the front there.
And, oh, I'm just falling over, tripping over the bloody... Righto, so we got the power steering lines transferred over. They're no good, I might have to change those. But the main thing we did was over here, we got the wiring harness, the main harness out. And this end here went through there. And I remember discussing, I wonder if it would be easier just to unplug that. And let me tell you right now, if I persevered with it, it would have been much easier. It comes out of the computer here and these plugs here, which I don't really know what they do yet, but I'll figure them out in a minute. So those plugs go to there. This is the computer here, and it was really easy to get out once we just removed the thingo. So Willie, can you get me that book of power, please, mate? Perfect.
Ooh, it's light book of power.
Unplug that one, they go through the engine bay. So this one here is the last one. And out of these, how many do I have? So I've got, and I have them as pink and black, right? So I got him. I don't have OB2, SPD. Oh, I've got another one. Oh, it's slightly different. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so he's got an extra 1, 2. I don't know what they are. That's great news. He's not exactly the same. 2 on one side, 4 on the other. Yep. Oh, yay. So this is great, mate. So the wiring diagram that they've got here doesn't match what I've got. Whatever, says Willie. Just unplug it. Okay, mate, so we're going to get that computer out, I hope. So we're going to need screwdriver, mate.
Yep. What size are you thinking?
Maybe I don't need them.
Oh, I'll get that.
No, don't need them like that. And the computer comes out. One Toyota engine control unit. I'm going to try and unplug this guy. So we're going to need the tenor, mate.
10. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's up there on the gun. Okay, I need this flathead screwdriver, mate.
Like this.
Yeah.
I'm ready to catch him.
I need the torch, mate. I don't know if I can.
Oh, he's connected up.
And this guy here has got all cables which go into him.
Oh, yeah. Is that a tiny thing?
Yep. This whole inside can come out of this outside bit. But it looks like he's held in. We need the light inside. Need to hold it and pull it up at the same time somehow.
I can hold him.
I don't think I'm going to get him. Well, maybe what I'll do is I'll start reconnecting this guy onto the motor. Maybe. But then I think before I start reconnecting this guy, I sort of want to start reconnecting all the hoses on him. It's all just a big circle. Yeah, that's right, I've got to start somewhere. I'm not too sure.
First you start off putting the hoses in them.
Yeah, we might start doing those brackets, getting the hoses in. Yeah, it's a good idea. I might have to get these power steering ones back out of the way.
Yeah.
Righto, so to do that, first I'm going to go upstairs and have a wee-wee.